Our company is located in Shongdai District, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. Directly facing the entrance is the production workshop. On the right is the office. This way in, it's the front desk. On the right side of the front desk is the office area. The procurement department, technical department, and other departments all work here. The conference room and reception room are also located here. Return to the front desk. On the left side of the front desk is the production workshop. There's a small gate here. Entering from here is our final assembly area. Please post an aerial photo in the upper right corner for a more intuitive view. Our machine tool will run idle for 3 days. After finishing the decoration to check the accuracy, usually it is completed in this area. On the right is our precision testing room. We will use professional instruments to test whether our machines meet the requirements. Come out and turn right. This is our electrician assembly area. We completed the assembly of the circuit here. After the workers complete the inspection, proceed to the next step of assembly. This is our deluxe decoration area. The screw guide rail is assembled and tested here. The warehouse is ahead. There are many spare parts here. On the left side of the warehouse is the machining area. This way back is our scraping area, in order to make our machines more durable while ensuring high precision. Scraping is an essential process. This way, back to our final assembly area. That's all for today's video. If you want to learn more information, you can leave a message below the video.